Hello Earth Signs, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus Signs. Kamusta po kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all po. Paunang mensahe po ninyo ay Hermit Energy. Ayan, dito naman sa Hermit Energy, this is about solitude, no? Introspection, reflection. This is the time that you're being invited here na mapag-isa muna kayo, no? So that you can spend time alone, makakapagmuni-muni kayo, makakapag-nilay-nilay kayo, no? Maaari din na ang iba sa inyo is, meron kayong hinahanap, no, na clarity. Meron kayong hinahanap na enlightenment dito. And maybe you're being provided with the intuitive messages, no, guidance, no, sa inyo, ang universe. And since maybe you are always preoccupied, you're always busy, maybe hindi ninyo yan nakapipick up, hindi ninyo yan naririnig, because you are always busy. That's why you're being invited here to put yourself in solitude, put yourself into stillness, so that you can spend time by yourself. Now, you can go deep within, you can relax your body, relax your mind, pagpahinga ninyo ang inyong isipan, so that makapag-connect kayo sa sarili ninyo, makapag-connect kayo sa puso ninyo, sa higher consciousness ninyo. Because when you are quiet, no, your mind is resting, your body is resting. That way you are allowing your soul to speak. That's why you would be able to hear the divine guidance then sa inyo. And also your soul is also giving you a message, no, about something, kung ano man ang kailangan ninyong malinawan, ano man ang kailangan ninyong marinig, no, from yourself. So we have Four of Wands. This is a celebratory energy. This is a time for you to rest talaga and enjoy success. Kasi panahon ito ng tagumpay ninyo. Maybe there are achievements, there are accomplishments dito na makukuha kayo. Meron kayong mga tagumpay dito na siguro sa trabaho, no, sa karera, sa negosyo ninyo, and you are going to celebrate that with your family and friends, no? So, i-enjoy ninyo yung success, pahinga muna kayo, step back muna kayo ng kahit saglit lang, no? From what is keeping you busy para ang tawag dito, i-celebrate, magsaya, no? Magsaya kayo dito sa inyong mga tagumpay na nakamit. For others of you, this could signify marriage, no? Ang iba sa inyo, maybe merong pagtitipon dito na magaganap because maybe you are getting married, or kung hindi man kayo ikakasal, maaaring meron kayong a-attendan kasal, no? Maaaring ganun. Maybe meron ditong kapamilya kayo na ikakasal, maiimbitahan kayo, something like that. This is also a time for prosperity and harmony within family. So, napakagandang energy nito. This is a really beautiful energy na nagsasabi na meron kayong mga tagumpay, meron kayong mga isi-celebrate, meron kayong mga may mga kaganapan sa buhay ninyo that you are going to be very grateful for. Okay? So we have the star energy. Beautiful. This is wish fulfillment energy. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Maaaring iba sa inyo dito is going to start a new beginning as well, no? Kasi si star energy is also about new beginnings, new start. This is also about new hope, new optimism, yung ganon. Kaya masaya, no? Magiging masaya kayo. This is really beautiful. Magiging masaya kayo at this time. At hindi lang yan, no, na mga pagbabagong yan na magaganap sa buhay ninyo ang magpapasaya sa iyo, but also you will be extra happy dito, extra joyful, because there is a wish that is coming to fruition. Meron kayong wish dito na mangyayari na. It's going to be delivered na by the universe. So this is really beautiful. This is also about healing. Kaya ang iba sa inyo, siguro kung meron kayong mga iniindang physical ailments, or siguro mga emotional na problema, emotional turmoil, maaaring yan ay maalis na, no? Magaganda na, mag-i-improve na ang inyong pangangatawan, mag-i-improve na ang inyong pakiramdam dahil makaka-receive na kayo dito ng healing, no? There's going to be some kind of pagbuti, no? Pagbuti na ng inyong nararamdaman sa katawan at sa puso at sa isip ninyo. Kung ano man yung mga nagpapa-stress sa inyo, that may fade away from here on because of that healing energy. Wheel of Fortune, pero yung Wheel of Fortune na to is in reverse, no? So there could be stagnation, no? There could be misfortune, there could be bad karma or delays, no? Sa mga kaganapan sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon, no? Maaari din na may mga bagay siguro dito ina-expect kayo na mga pangyayari na hindi mangyayari, no? Maaring things are going to unfold na hindi according sa plano ninyo, maaaring merong mga unsuccessful plans dito na mangyayari, no? We have Hierophant energy. So, since meron tayong Four of Wands dito, tapos may Hierophant, so definitely there is wedding. Definitely merong marriage dito, no, na mangyayari sa inyo. Maaring kayo mismo, or kung hindi man, baka kapamilya ninyo, or maaaring someone close to your heart, no? Someone na siguro kaibigan ninyo, best friend ninyo, something like that. So, what else? We have Death energy. Napakaganda rin ito, no? Napakaganda kasi si Death energy, this is a massive change. This is a massive transformation. At ang maganda rin dito, si Star is also change, no? That is new beginning energy din. Si Death energy is also a new beginning energy. So, definitely, kailangan talaga kayo na magnilay-nilay. Kailangan talaga ninyo na mag-isip-isip, no? Because there is a change coming your way. Maaring kung ano man ang pagbabagong ito, this could be something na minanifest ninyo. This could be something na kailangan ng mangyari, no? Because it's divine timing. It has to happen, something like that. So, dito sa Death energy, kung ano yung hindi na nagsiserve ng iyong highest good, kung ano na yung hindi nagsiserve ng iyong best interest, this is something na tatanggalin nyo na sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon, no? You're going to make a move to create a beautiful change sa buhay ninyo kasi maaaring kumbaga, long overdue na, no, yung pagbabagong ito. That's why you are going to create that change na you're going to, unti-unti, tatanggalin mo na sa buhay ninyo kung ano man ang mga bagay na yan, sitwasyon na yan, or even tao na hindi na nagsiserve ng iyong highest good. Hindi na nakakatulong sa iyo, hindi na nakakapaghatid ng good vibes sa inyo. You may release them out of your life, no? Dahil ready na kayong mag-welcome ng bago. Ready na kayo na mag-embrace ng newness. Ready na kayo na magsimula ng bagong chapter sa buhay ninyo dito. You are becoming optimistic dito, no? You are ready to hit that road, no? Para sa mga new beginnings. So this is really beautiful kasi you're going to reset your life. You're going to declutter your life, no? And ready na kayo mag-reset, kumbaga. So, good luck, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.